Hi everyone, so today I'm going to make a video about how to do that pitch glidey effect that you get in Owl City. So I always wanted a video that teaches you how to do this, and I recently got a plugin called Waves Tune, and you can do it on that. And so now I know how to do it. I wanted to share the technique. Also, it's possible to do it on FlexTune, which is built into Logic, which I also found out recently. But I think I kind of prefer the effect on the Waves Tune a little bit, but they're both really good ways of doing it. So I'm just going to show you how I do that. So I'm first just going to record a little vocal, and I'm not a singer by any means, but I just like to sing on my tracks now and then. And I use quite a lot of pitch correction, so I also got the Waves Tune real time already loaded up, so I'm just going to record a melody line and then I'll show you how I do the effect. Okay? Today is the 5th of July, and I'm recording this tutorial. Okay, so I've just recorded the melody line, and now I'm going to put Waves Tune, the not real-time version, the actual Waves Tune, onto the track. So I'm just loading that. And when I play it back, you'll see that the notes will appear on this this plugin. Today is the 5th of July, and I'm recording this tutorial. Okay, so let me just have a look at those notes. Okay, so if we look at the notes in Waves Tune, you'll see that they're kind of all over the place. I'm just going to select them all first, and then where it says note transition, I'm just going to drag that down to 0, and speed, I'm also going to drag that down to 0 as well to get like the most intense effect. And let's just play that back and see what that sounds like. Today is the 5th of July, and I'm recording this tutorial. Okay, so yeah, it's sounding very tuned. I just want to add in that glide effect. So first of all, I'm going to select each note and just make sure everything is on the right note by double tapping on the actual key. Okay, so there we go, and here, and here. Okay, and now to do the glidey effect, which I hope works. Sometimes it sounds more dramatic than others. I'm going to click on this little icon here, which looks a bit like a line graph. And then what I do is I draw a line from one note to the next. So if I try from here to there, let's see what that sounds like. Today is the 5th of July, and I'm recording this tutorial. Phew, so that worked really well. So yeah, that's how you would do it. You would just drag a note from one note to the next, and I think it works best if there's like a big gap between the notes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and then put the same effect on these notes here. See if they work as well. Today is the 5th of July, and I'm recording this tutorial. Okay, so it did work there, but the effect was much more dramatic on this section here where the notes were a bigger gap in between. So yeah, this is how you do it, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.